talked a little bit about standard form last chapter. We just briefly introduced it. This is the chapter, though, that we're actually going to use it more. So standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, where a and b and c all have to be whole numbers. They can't be fractions. Okay, we also know they are non-zero numbers. So a and b can't equal 0. So two equivalent equations in standard form. So they're already written in standard form. Equivalent means that they're just equal to it. So we could either multiply or divide. Okay, and what I mean by divide, that's your simplifying. By a certain term. So if I take the first one and I multiply everything by 2, I get 4x minus 12y is equal to 4, or 8 multiply 4 by 2. Right? Or I know that 2, negative 6, and 4 all can be divided by 2 to get x minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay, there's two equivalent equations. Okay, the next one I don't see that anything can be divided because they don't have a common term. So we're going to multiply everything by 2, get 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. And then I choose any other number. I'm going to go ahead and do 3, the easiest ones, and do 3x plus 6y is equal to 15. Now, when you're multiplying or dividing, you cannot use 1 or 0. Okay, so go ahead and try the next one on your own. Okay, I see 9, negative 3, and negative 12 can all be divided by 3, so I can get 3x minus 1y, or minus y, is equal to negative 4. And then I can also just multiply it by any number I'm going to choose to. Get 18x minus 6y is equal to negative 24. Again, if you didn't see the division, you could have just multiplied it by any other number. Okay, steps in writing equations in standard form. Okay, the first thing is you need to calculate or identify slope. Okay, remember that equation is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where x1, y1 is one ordered pair, x2, y2 is another ordered pair. Okay, step 2, we need to write it point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. You could also write it in slope-intercept form. Just could be more work because maybe you don't know your intercept and you would have to find it, which is y equals mx plus b. And then lastly, rewrite into standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, so the first one, the slope is already given for us. I'm going to go ahead and write all of mine in point slope form just because I find that that's the easiest. It's less steps than trying to find your b, but your choice. Okay, y minus y1, which is 2, is equal to 1, parentheses x minus a negative 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, then I need to distribute y minus 2 is equal to x plus 3. And then I need to move my constants to my right-hand side and move my variables to the left-hand side. So subtract x, negative x plus y minus 2 is equal to 3. Add your 2 over. Negative x plus y is equal to 5 in standard form. So if you need a little bit more in steps, so after point slope, distribute, and slope, okay, and then move constants to the right, and variables on the left. Okay, go ahead and try the next one on your own. Okay, we've got y plus 4 is equal to negative 3 halves times x plus 4. Remember to distribute. Y plus 4 is equal to negative 3 halves x plus, plus minus 6. Add 3 halves x over. I'm going to do this just in one step so I can save some room. Subtract the 4 over. 3 halves x plus y is equal to negative 10. Okay, remember I said you couldn't have fractions. To get rid of that fraction, we multiply by the denominator. So we're going to multiply everything by 2. That just cancels out my denominator on this one. This leaves us with 3x. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. And there's your answer. Okay, we'll leave the other two for in class. Okay, write standard form for each equation in line. Same thing, we just need to know any part of it. Now, okay, we know the y-intercepts in this one. So we know b is equal to 5. M is our slope. So we're going to go down 1, 2, and left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5, negative 1, which means 1/5. Okay, go ahead and put it in there. I'm going to use slope-intercept form in this case. Y is equal to 1/5 x plus 5. Okay, I'm going to subtract my 1/5 x over. Negative 1/5 x plus y is equal to 5. Again, can't have a fraction, multiply everything by 5. Negative 1x plus 5y is equal to 25. Okay, you could have also just picked any ordered pair on there and done point slope form as well. Okay, we'll save the next two for in class. Okay, horizontal and vertical lines. We talked about this a lot in class. Remember that horizontal lines are your y equals lines. And x equal are our vertical. So if we're going to write equations of the vertical and horizontal lines that pass through the given point, we're just going to write x is equal to negative 8, y is equal to 0, and done. Okay, so try the next one on your own. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Okay, and the next one, we're given an ordered pair, we need to solve for the missing coefficient. So we're solving for b in this case. So remember, your ordered pairs are x and y. So -4 times -1 plus b times 1 is equal to 7. Well, -4 times -1 is 4. B times 1 is still b, is equal to 7. Solve for b. Subtract your 4 on both sides. B is equal to 3. So -4x plus 3y is equal to 7. Okay, we have to have both of those answers. Okay, so try it for our next one. We're solving for a. A times 2 plus 11 is equal to -3. Well, solving for a minus our 11, 2a is equal to -14 divided by 2. A is equal to -7, so -7x plus y is equal to -3. Okay, we're going to finish this last one and our work problem in class. So if you will just go ahead and type any questions that you have at the end of this box.